The function p gives the number of people, in millions, who own a smartphone, t years after the year 2000. Let's look at some equations with p and how to interpret them. What does each equation tell us about smartphone ownership? The first equation is p of 17 equals 2,320. In this equation, the time, t, is 17, which means 17 years after the year 2000. So, in the year 2017, 2,320 million people had smartphones. What about if t equals -10? That means the year 10 years before 2000, or 1990. So, in 1990, no one had a smartphone. Use function notation to represent each statement. In 2010, the number of people who owned a smartphone was 296,600,000. So, when t equals 10, p equals 296.6. Remember that p is in millions. Mai is curious about what the value of t would mean in the equation p of t equals 1,000. What would the value of t tell Mai about the situation? T is the number of years after 2000 when 1,000 million, or 1 billion, people had smartphones.